why you keep blowing funnel icon, right? I'm gonna talk about this. It's not about a strategy, it's not about risk management, it's a little bit deeper. The answer is a bit deep, you know? Which after this video, you don't need to search about it, why I'm fucking blowing funnel icon, right? Just listen carefully and take note. Okay, let's say you're a newbie trader, right? You purchase a 10K funnel icon, right? $10,000 funnel icon. So the first thing you should understand is you don't need two-step challenge. Two-step challenge is waste of time, and I'm gonna tell you why. The two-step challenge is a trap for the prop firms to make a lot of money. Because imagine I was going to, let's say, I'm going to just make around 10% in the first phase. Then I'm gonna go in the next phase and I'm gonna make 5%. Then I'm gonna allow to go to the live account. That's bullshit. You know, making 10% gonna take, it's like, if you want to risk 1%, it should take around like 1.5 months. And the next 8% or 5% in the second evolution phase, it should take around, let's say, again, 1 month. So basically you're wasting 2 months of your beautiful life on just passing this bullshit. So that reason, one of the main reasons I can say, which a lot of you guys blowing funnel icon, is you just keep going with the two-step challenge. Two-step challenge is waste of fucking time. So now, what should we do, Ebold? Shall we go with the instant funding challenge or shall we go with the one-step challenge? So it depends. If you are a professional trader, if you're a profitable trader, and you're just looking to scale 100%, instant funding for you is the best choice, right? But if you are basically newbie trader, it's your first time trading the funnel icon, or maybe you didn't pass or you got some payout which you are not consistent, 100% the first step is the best choice for you. Now I'm gonna tell you why. Because you should pay attention. You are a newbie trader. I mean, you're not profitable yet. And in order to get profitable, you need to build a long-term experience, which these experience gonna make confidence. So one of the main reasons a lot of you guys fail at funnel icon is just confidence. You don't have enough confidence. And that's it. Now I'm gonna tell you why you don't have enough confidence, right? The confidence reason is different. You don't trust your strategy, you don't trust your risk management, and you scare from the numbers in the chart, which that sound gay to me, right? So now, as I told you, the confidence, there is a billion reasons behind the confidence. But one of the main reasons behind it, it's you're not just experienced. That's it, bro. You are not an experienced trader. That's it. Now, I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do to boost the confidence first. The first thing you should pay attention is choosing a strategy and stop switching between the different strategies. Because a lot of you guys, after 2 stop loss, 3 stop loss, what are you gonna do? You start to think, okay, let me just change my strategy. Let me just, let's say, pay $2,000, $3,000 out of the mentorship because this guy flexing profit every fucking day. So maybe that's gonna be my only survivor, which that's not make sense. 100% that's not make sense. You should stick to one strategy. You should look for the strategy you are comfortable with and it's matched with your trading personality. And you should put all of your fucking time and energy to basically refine the strategy. That's the first main reason behind it, right? So now how you're gonna build the confidence in the long term, you should understand the confidence, there is no max level on confidence. There is a minimum level in confidence, but there is no max level in confidence. Even if you're an institution trader, your confidence is not enough. You should grow the confidence by time. And I'm gonna tell you how. So time, the first thing, time, right? Trading is a long-term game. You need time, you need experience, you need basically downside, upside, to see the downside, experience the downside, upside on the trading to enable to build that long-term, let's say, experience, right? So you should understand, right? You should understand right now, confidence is a long-term game. There is no max level in confidence. The first thing you're gonna do to build the foundation of confidence of your strategy is, once you learn a strategy, go and instead of scrolling fucking TikTok and Instagram, or instead of, let's say, straight going to the live account, go and put the fucking time and backtest. You need to backtest minimum 5 hours per day once you learn a new concept. Minimum 5 hours per day. Now, the way you backtest is so important. A lot of you guys, you open the chart, once you want to start to backtest, the first thing you do is just follow the same order of the thing that you learn, which that's not make sense. The vision you're gonna put in the backtest should be completely different. So what are you gonna do? You learn a concept, You're going to open the chart, and once you want to start the backtest, you're going to take a note, right? You're gonna start to backtest. If you take us, first of all, the way you're gonna backtest, there's two different of the backtest. First, you're gonna see the move. See the move, analyze the move. Don't go to the bar reply. After you analyze the move, after you, let's say implement the strategy on the move that you already saw, okay? You need to analyze it with detail. Then backtest reply, go to the reply, bar reply, and backtest the same thing that you saw, right? So once you finish with that, you're gonna repeat this. Because here we are practicing your muscle. The concept that you learn, we're trying to practicing that muscle, right? So by this, now you can just go random on the chart. You need to do this like, bro, you need to practice like 5 hours, 6 hours, right? In order to basically practice that muscle. So after that, what you're gonna do, that's so important step, right? You are, first of all, don't be a fucking geek. Don't be a fucking dumbass. Don't go start to just backtest the last 2 years, because last 2 years finish. Price action cycle changing every 2-3 months. So you should keep your strategy updated. You should keep your strategy fresh, right? You're gonna go and the maximum time frame you're gonna go, the time period I'm talking about is going to be maximum 2 months, right? And you're gonna start to backtest the last 2 months. Now, if you're gonna say, Ibo, but 2 months is not enough. Bro, you have Euro USD, you have GBP USD, you have stock, you have gold, you have crypto. Shut the fuck up. I mean, you have a lot of pairs to backtest, right? So, now once you're backtesting, if you take a stop loss, journal all of the backtest. The win, the stop loss, break evens, anything. Now, let's say you backtest the default concept of your strategy. Bro, the video was about why you're blowing in front of me. I'm talking about how to backtest. Jesus. Anyway, once you backtest the default of the strategy, you're gonna see, okay, the break even, for example, the break even trade that you had, they at least come to the 1 risk to reward, then the markets retrace and hit your break even. So be fucking smart. Aim for 1 risk to reward. You know, you don't need 4 risk to reward, you don't need 3 risk to reward. Your goal should be catching trade frequently with high win rate. And if you're taking the stop loss because of the equal high, don't catch that trade if you see an equal high. Simple as that, right? So, you know, you need to do a lot of time in order to create a solid trading plan. Now, once you pass this phase, now you're gonna have a little bit of confidence on the strategy. Now, once you create that trading plan, first of all, once you create a trading plan, the first thing you should do, make a checklist, make it mechanical for yourself. You know, you don't need to think in the chart. You don't need to, once you start to analyze the technical analysis, you don't need to think. You need to just basically straight go to the action by checklist, like a pilot, that's it. The pilot don't think, okay, let me just turn on this, the turn off button of the plane, then let me just, do this. No, they have a checklist. They're gonna finish it in 30 minutes, okay? They don't need to think. It's just about action, right? So you need to make the trading plan like that. After that, you're gonna go with the forward test. Don't rush for the fun of the con, go with the forward test. Now, once you go with the forward test, put 1 month to the forward test and put the goal to see, are you comfortable with that trading plan or not? And here, we're gonna practice the psychology. Any psychology issue you face, mention in your trading journal and try to avoid it by changing the risk management, by putting a daily limit, weekly limit for yourself, because these are gonna help a lot. Now, once you finish the forward test, the first thing you're gonna pay attention should be, am I comfortable with this strategy? If yes, awesome. We don't care how much you made in the forward test. If no, get back to the backtesting phase, make the trading plan as you're comfortable with, right? Now, and after that, we're gonna take out to the P&L, win rate, anything else, if there is any room to improve it. Don't make it perfect, because there's no perfection in the market. If there is any room to make it a little bit good, flexible, perfect, just go with it. If not, just don't touch it, right? Now here, you're gonna start with the 5K or $10,000 fund account, right? Why not 100K EBO? I want to make $10,000. I'm start trading for 5 months, 6 months, or already trading for 2 years. I want to straight go to the 100K fund account. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Why? Because in these 2 years, you never had a consistent $1,000 payout. You need to have a consistent small payout in order to build confidence. Trading is a long-term game. So listen to me. What are you gonna do? You're gonna purchase a $10,000 fund account. Now, as I told you, if your confidence is in a good level, cool. If you're trading for 2 years, you already had some payout, go with the instant funding challenge. If not, go with the one-step challenge. You're gonna pass it, and you're gonna try to focus on getting the first payout. Now, the first payout should be $500, $600. The goal is just basically boosting the confidence, right? Now, once you get the payout from that 10K, following the same trading plan, okay, you are going to scale it. You're gonna, okay, now don't be dumb, right? Once you get the payout, take half for yourself. Now, put the $300 for purchasing a $25,000 funded account. Now you have $35,000 funded account. Make the payout, take half of the profit. What are you gonna do? Then go with the, let's say, 50K funded account. Again, do the same. Now, once you go with the 50K funded account, you are, I could say, about around 100K funded with your previous funded accounts, right? Because you're trading in the 3 different type of the funded account, right? So you're good, you're awesome, you're cool, you're good, right? Yeah, well, now you're gonna scale it. See, this is not gonna take 1 year. In order to you go from 10K to the 100K, it's gonna take 6-8 months if the market condition is good. Let's talk about the 1 year, okay? Now, from 100K to 200K funded, it's gonna take about almost 1.5 years. And from 200K to 400K, also gonna take 1 year. And from 400K to 800K funded, it's gonna take around, again, 2 years. I'm gonna talk about the average 2 years. And from 800 to $1 million funded, it's gonna take about 1.5 years, right? See, that's a long-term game. It's about, we're talking about a 5 years journey. 5-year fucking journey in order to you go from 10K to the $1 million fund, right? That's it. But in order, in this time, in these periods, you're gonna get the small payouts, which the payouts improve. And once the payouts improve, your lifestyle improve. And once the lifestyle improve, guess what? Your confidence improve. Simple as that. Simple as that. This is the whole blueprint that you need. This is the only blueprint that you need. This is the same blueprint that I'm teaching to my inner circle. I'm working with them in this blueprint, one-on-one with them, and they are making a lot of fucking payout. You can go to my Instagram story, you can see my student making a bunch of fucking payouts with them. Because it's a long-term game. If you have this blueprint structure, that's gonna help you a lot. Now, I hope this video helps you a lot, for sure. 100% gonna help you a lot. And if you're interested to learn from me, check the link in the description. My inner circle is open. You can fill the application. I'm giving you this guarantee that you are not going to exit empty hand from this link. If you go with that link, you're not gonna exit empty hand, right? And don't forget to follow my Instagram. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I'm going to answer it. And subscribe for more real trading structures. Cheers.